Hello! I need to get some holes drilled to this plate of polycarbonate, and it's going to be a really precise work because the hole locations are very precisely set, and they shouldn't be off on either side of the panel by more than 0.2 millimeters. And in case of this panel, the thickness of the material is 10 millimeters. So first I need to find the position of the hole really precisely. And second, I need to drill in very straight angle, because otherwise there will be deviation on the other side of the panel. And normally for this kind of job I would definitely be using a drill press, or even better, the mill. But in this case the plate is way too big to be fitted on either of those tools, so I have to use a manual drill instead. And how to do this job precisely enough using a manual drill, that's the point of this video. For the most critical area I have printed out this drilling template. And the cornerstone of my solution is this block of stainless steel. It is a very simple block, but it is heavy. It weighs over 600 grams, and it has some rubber feet which are helping to keep it in place very steadily. And it has a 10 millimeter hole drilled through it in the center, and to this hole I can place sleeves for the drill bit. So this, for instance, is for 8 millimeter drill bit. This one is for 5 millimeter drill bit. Or I can place there also an endoscope. And by using the view from the endoscope, I can find the locations of the holes very easily, and I can find the center very precisely. So here, if I move this block by just a fraction of a millimeter, it can be very easily noticed on the view. And when I have found the center for the hole, then I can just remove the sleeve for the endoscope. I will be inserting the sleeve for drilling, and we are ready to drill. Okay, so after some drilling, it's time to check the results. Let's start from some of these more critical holes over here. So I will be inserting 6 millimeter drill bits to the holes, and these holes, they should be 123 millimeters apart. So when we are measuring, we need to add 6 millimeters to get the projected distance of the edges of the drill bits. So here we are at 128.82 millimeters. So the error is 0.18 millimeters. That's quite good. Then let's check the distance between these holes. And these holes, they are manually marked, not with this printing or drilling template. And here the result is 75.96. So the error is 0.04 millimeters. Let's check over here. So I succeeded in staying within the required 0.2 millimeter tolerance, which I'm really happy about, given that I was using a very simple tool for drilling the holes. And I was using two important accessories in the process, one of them being the endoscope, which is a €15 accessory, mainly required because of my mediocre eyesight. And then the other important accessory is this block, which I have made myself out of stainless steel. And I have the different sleeves for different drill bits. So the block is helping to keep the drill bit in place and straight when drilling to thick polycarbonate plate. When you are drilling polycarbonate, it is important to use a sharp drill bit, and I have found the steel drill bits, the drill bits for steel, to work really well with polycarbonate, just as long as you use relatively low RPM. So some hundreds of RPM is better than going into thousands. And in the next video I will be explaining what this polycarbonate plate is actually for. But for now, thank you for watching and see you soon again in the next video. Ciao.